Hello and welcome everybody to a YooLotto payment proof video. YooLotto is a application that you guys could use on your smartphone to make a little bit of extra money. I've made a video on YooLotto. I'll link that down below, but I just wanted to go over some payment proof for 2019. Now, what you're seeing right here, I got the phone on the left. This is actually my Robinhood account, and this is what I've been doing with my money lately. I've been taking my phone farming earnings and investing them into stocks. On the left, I have YooLotto pulled up. So there's a couple different ways that you guys could cash out. You guys could do PayPal or Amazon. I used to do a lot of Amazon, but now that I'm doing the investing thing, I'm steering more towards PayPal. So let's go ahead and pull up my PayPal account on the left phone and take a look at my transaction history. So as you can see, for today, January 29th, 2019, I have my perk $2 instant PayPal cash out, and I also have this E Squared Tech Incorporated for $65.59. It doesn't really sound like YooLotto, but if you click on it, it says congratulations on your cash out with YooLotto. If you have any questions or need to contact us, we're available at and then at the bottom it says this request is from 124, so not too bad for paying me out in a timely manner. Thank you, YooLotto. So there's your payment proof right there. This ain't gonna be a really long video. Just wanted to show you guys that YooLotto is paying, and they're paying pretty quickly, so keep that in mind. As always, happy earnings. Thanks for stopping in for the video. If you liked the video, please leave me a like. Subscribe for more content. I'll be having more content like this coming out in the future. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys like to cash out to. Do you like using Amazon or PayPal? And if you do, what do you like doing with your money? Me personally, like I just said, I just started doing this. I like to invest it. So keep tuned for more videos. And as always, happy earnings. Have a great day, guys. Take it easy.